Good morning, community. It's about 4:30 in the morning, getting ready to head up to work. See that smoke coming out of my mouth? It's 41 degrees, and boy, am I loving it. But man, we went from, I think, 99 degrees a couple of days ago, and now we are 41 degrees. The front was supposed to move in yesterday morning, and it was supposed to be this cold yesterday morning, but it didn't get this cold. It got down to about 57 when I was leaving work, and it gradually dropped all day, and it was down to about 66 for most of the day yesterday. Let's see what's on tap for today. I don't know if y'all can see that, but my truck is saying it's 36, and the condensation that was on my window had a little bit of frost to it. I don't know if y'all can see that very clearly, but my truck is saying it's 37 degrees outside. It dropped down to 35 when I went down the hill, but guys, I'm just having a hard time believing that. It is a little chilly, but my goodness, did we go from 95 degrees down to 35 degrees briefly? Y'all can see that moon up there. Now, we've not had a cloud in the sky for days. It has been hot, it has been dry, and we are in fire weather right now. We did have some strong north winds yesterday, but it's very calm and very clear this morning and a bit crisp. So the thermometer on my truck fluctuated between 35 degrees and 41 degrees. My Tempest said it was 41 degrees, but my truck said it was 36 until I got down the road. It dropped to 35 and then back up to 37 and then 41. So my eyes are watering. There's definitely something in the air. So guys, I'm gonna be pretty ticked off if we did actually get a slight frost, because it wasn't forecasted and we certainly didn't expect it. So this is the time of year where the weather fluctuates drastically, where it's cold in the morning and hot in the afternoon. Today it doesn't look like we're going to get past 71, I think, but it's showing early next week, and today's Thursday. It's showing early next week. We're going to be back up in the upper 80s. Again, I think it could fluctuate a little bit. I think it could change from that because we're still 5 or 6 days out. Gosh, I hope that we're not going to get up to 87 degrees. And one of the last weeks of October, we're coming up on the end of October already. Time is just simply flying. So I know many of you have not had the opportunity or have not had success here in Texas, just like we've had issues the last 2 years, now going on 3, getting our fall crops started. Nothing is germinating because we have just been too hot. So in the coming week, probably in this weekend, I'm going to go ahead and try to start my carrot seeds that I spoke about the other day. Greg needed to get some of the tubs revamped a little bit, and we've just had a lot going on with the passing of his mother and a lot of personal business and stuff like that. So we're going to try to get some carrots planted. I would really, really like to get some radishes planted this weekend, and I would really, really like to try to get some cabbage planted as well. We would really like to take advantage of a couple of months before we have to get started on our spring seeds. Now, we do start our spring seeds in January for our plant sale that's usually in March. And so, it's swiftly coming up on us. The holidays are swiftly coming in October. September and October both have just simply flown by, guys. They have flown by like crazy. And I expect that the rest of October and November and December and January will too, because we have so many heated months, and really, 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 really don't want the hot months to come so soon, because we just really suffer through late spring, summer, and fall. We really don't even get a fall anymore. If we do, it's very short-lived, just a couple of days or a couple of weeks, if that. And then we go right into wintertime. But again, wintertime can be mild, except for those mornings where you can drop below freezing and take everything out and then go right back up to 70-something degrees for weeks on and not get another freeze. So I wanted to give you guys an update on the weather here and tell you what I'm getting ready to plant this weekend. Today is Thursday. I'm off tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. It's one of the things I love about my job is I have a 3-day weekend every weekend. And so we will be busy this weekend. Love you all. See you soon. And let me know what the weather's doing in your neck of the woods. I'd love to know. Take care. God bless.